Welcome to Lima, Peru's bustling capital where history, culture, and cuisine come alive. From ancient ruins to world-class restaurants, Lima is a city that will captivate your senses. Let's dive into the best of this vibrant destination. Start your journey in Lima's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Plaza de Armas is the heart of the city, surrounded by stunning colonial buildings like the Cathedral of Lima. Don't miss the chance to explore its rich history and beautiful interiors. Fun fact: Lima was once the capital of the Spanish Empire in South America. You can still see its grandeur in the architecture. Next, head to the Larco Museum, home to one of the world's most impressive collections of pre-Columbian art. From intricate gold jewelry to ancient pottery, this museum offers a fascinating glimpse into Peru's rich history. Miraflores is Lima's trendy coastal district, perfect for shopping, dining, and soaking in the ocean views. Stroll along the Malecon, visit Parque del Amor, or try paragliding for an unforgettable adventure. Art lovers, don't miss Barranco. This bohemian neighborhood is filled with colorful murals, galleries, and charming cafes. Cross the iconic Bridge of Sighs and explore the vibrant nightlife. It's the creative soul of Lima. Lima is a foodie's paradise and the culinary capital of South America. Try the national dish, ceviche, or indulge in lomo saltado and causa. For a unique experience, visit Mercado de Surquillo to taste fresh, local ingredients. Step back in time at Huacapuclana, an ancient adobe pyramid right in the middle of the city. Explore the ruins and learn about the Lima culture that thrived here over 1,500 years ago. Visit at night for a magical view with the city lights as a backdrop. End your day at Parque de la Reserva, home to the Magic Water Circuit. This park features 13 illuminated fountains, including the stunning Fountain of Dreams. It's a dazzling experience for all ages. Want to explore beyond the city? Visit Pachacamac, an ancient archaeological site just outside Lima, or the Pantanos de Villa wetlands for birdwatching and nature walks. Both are perfect for a quick escape from the urban hustle. Lima is a city of contrasts, where ancient history meets modern creativity, and every bite tells a story. Which of these experiences are you adding to your itinerary? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Join our community of explorers and get inspired for your next adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on new travel tips, guides, and hidden gems. Plus, check the description for easy booking links to these amazing destinations. Safe travels, and see you on the next journey.